Most people believe becoming wealthy is about adding more income, more assets, and more stuff. But the real secret to wealth isn't addition, it's subtraction. In a world that constantly screams at you to buy more, the wealthiest person in the room is often the one who needs the least. Today, I'm showing you the NetSleek approach to money. 7 minimalist rules that don't just save pennies, but build a financial fortress. If you're tired of the rat race, listen closely. This is how you win. Rule number 1. The inventory audit. You cannot manage what you don't measure. The average American home contains 300,000 items. That's 300,000 distractions. Every single thing you own claims a piece of your mental energy and a dollar from your potential investments. Walk through your house. If you haven't touched it in 90 days, it's not an asset, it's a liability. Sell it, donate it, or trash it. Clear the space so you can clear your mind for high-value decisions. Rule number 2. The 72-hour cooling period. Modern marketing is designed to bypass your logic and hit your emotions. That one-click buy button is the enemy of your freedom. From today, apply the 72-hour rule. You see something you want, put it in the cart, then close the tab. If you still feel the burning need after 3 days, evaluate it. 9 times out of 10, the impulse fades and your bank account stays heavy. Rule number 3. The cost per use logic. Minimalists don't buy cheap, they buy quality. A $20 shirt that wears out in 3 months is actually more expensive than a $100 shirt that lasts 5 years. Stop looking at the price tag and start looking at the cost per use. Invest in tools, clothes, and tech that stand the test of time. Wealthy people don't have time to keep replacing garbage. Rule number 4. Digital minimalism. Your phone is a casino. Every notification is a pull of the slot machine, stealing your focus. If you're just scrolling, you're not building. Unfollow accounts that make you feel like you need to keep up with the Joneses. Delete the apps that tempt you to spend. Your attention is the most valuable currency you have. Stop spending it on junk content. Rule number 5. Automate invisible wealth. The best minimalist habit is the one you don't even see. Automate your savings. Before your paycheck even hits your main account, have a percentage go straight into your investments. If you don't see the money, you won't miss it. You'll learn to live on what's left, and your wealth will grow silently in the background while you focus on actually living your life. Minimalism isn't about living with nothing. It's about making room for everything that actually matters. When you stop chasing status symbols, you finally start chasing freedom. Which of these rules are you starting today? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to master your money with a sleek, focused strategy, hit subscribe.